This two-camera solar-powered set from Hiseeu offers truly cable-free installation, so you can mount the compact units almost anywhere outdoors without worrying about nearby power outlets or data lines. The built-in rechargeable battery works together with the included solar panel to keep the cameras running with only a small amount of direct sunlight each day, making them a low-maintenance option for long-term home monitoring. Each camera records at 3K resolution with a 4-megapixel sensor, delivering noticeably sharper detail than standard high definition, and the integrated spotlight enables full-color night footage instead of the usual grainy black and white view. Weather-resistant construction with an ingress protection rating that handles rain and dust means these cameras stay reliable through changing seasons, which is important if you plan to cover exposed areas like driveways or backyards. The combination of passive infrared and artificial intelligence-based human detection helps cut down on nuisance alerts from things like trees or pets, while the built-in speaker and microphone let you talk with visitors or warn off suspicious activity in real time. Setup through the mobile application is straightforward, and you can choose between memory card or cloud recording, integrate the system with a popular voice assistant, and expand coverage easily thanks to the flexible wireless connection.